Welcome, ladies. My name is Mrs. Lisa Anderson, and I've created a platform on how to get the ring. Look into my eyes. Go grab that tea, your coffee, your wine, your pen and paper, and I'm going to be right here because I'm going to wait for you to go grab that. And let's get started. Ladies, so today we're going to talk about statistics. I want to go over the availability of men that are out there. I want to go over reasons why men have not proposed today. So let's start because I did some research, I did some studying, I did some interview. Let's get started. So today there are 61% of females out of high school that want to get married. There are 74% of men out of high school that want to get married. There are 61% of men that's been married that want to get married again. Ladies, that's a lot of men. There are 2/3 of men that's never been married that want to get married. Girl, 2/3 is a lot of men. So now let's think about this. So there's 1/3 that don't want to get married. Can we handle that? We can handle that. 1/3 of men don't want to get married because it doesn't matter, because we got 2/3 that do. We got 61% that's never been married. We have 74% out of high school never been married. We have 61% that's been married and want to get married again. Girl, we in there. So we're going to go over the reasons why men have not even asked to propose to women today. Let's talk about some of these. It's not necessarily could be what the reason is why yours haven't actually done it, but we're going to go over some of the research I've done in the studies to say what they've said the reason why it was not. Reason why they haven't asked a woman to marry them. And some of the reasons were, they said it was because of porn. They said, why buy the milk when we can get the cow for free? So you've been with him for so many years and it's been going this way and everything's been going fine. And why should he change anything? Nothing out of the ordinary is different, and you're the one wanting to be a wife and everything for him is going as a plan. Some guys still want to sow their wild oats. So he's not about to get married either. He's not even about to ask. Does it mean that he don't want to get married? None of this mean that they don't want to get married. Because if there's 2/3 of men that's never been married that want to be married, and there's 61% that's been married and want to get married again, it just means that he has not met her. And that's all. Because what one man will do for one female, he will do different for another one. Never think that because he does this to her, he'll do this to you. That's not always the case. It just sometimes means that you're not her. And we're going to thank you for that. Some don't want responsibility. They don't want the responsibility of having to have a household. So if that's the case, that could be that 1/3. And that's fine. Because ladies, we still have 2/3 of men that's never been married and want to be married. And I know you want to find your person, your partner, your teammate. I know you want to find it. So now that we went over some reasons, we went over some statistics, we went over availability. Tell me what you are looking for in your availability. I didn't want to drag on with this video. I just wanted to be able to get started with a session so that ladies could go in order, so that it wouldn't be from 1 to 10. We're going to do 1, 2, 3 to 10 so that we won't miss anything. I need you to subscribe. I don't want you to miss the order in which it's going. So go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It'll help me, but it's cost you nothing. And I want to thank you for joining. I want to thank you for coming on to my show, my platform. My name is Mrs. Lisa Anderson. And again, ladies, let's get that ring. So again, thank you for joining my platform, and I'll see you again. Thank you.